Hello there, this is free SEO analysis of the website Peach and Lily, and I have analyzed the homepage. So the SEO score of the homepage is 58 out of 100. There's no major issues here, so you specialize in Korean skincare. So this is a really good keyword. I am working with Korean skincare brand, and this is quite an attractive keyword. Okay, and you've got call to action, try a free sample with any purchase, which is great. I would add maybe stronger incentive, such as get a free sample with every purchase, so people can feel that a sample is guaranteed. H1 tags are a little bit all over the place, so you should definitely start with H1, which is great, and then go H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. If you want to style this size, definitely style with CSS, but use H2 tag as they are quite important if they are up the page. Skin Peach Korean, so you've got Korean skin as the main keywords, which is not bad. It's fantastic. Okay. What else? You've got all the tags in place. I mentioned H2 tags are missing. Okay, you've got plenty of backlinks, which is fantastic. So I understand that you have been established for a number of years. Definitely work on friendly URLs. I don't recommend changing them now if you have been operating for 4 years, because obviously you will get a lot of error pages. But with new product or new page or new blog post, go for friendly URLs. And friendly URLs means they are more defined, shorter. They contain maybe like 1 or 2 keywords. That's not exactly title of the page, but you can edit the slug section in the Shopify admin. You've got sitemap, Google Analytics connected, which is perfect. Your website is mobile friendly, which is excellent. So there's no issues on the speed. Your website is, is within the norm. There are definitely areas that you can improve if you wanted to improve your speed. So ideally, you would want to only like 1 or 2 red areas when it comes to this tool. So I recommend working on that, because any millisecond definitely can affect conversion rate, and obviously Google rank. So yeah, so that's the area there that you can work on. There's not many broken links, especially as you have been established for a while. You've got only 13 out of 2000 scanned, which is great. So I hope you found this review useful. If you would love to request a review of your whole website, such as design, conversion rate, obviously proofreading, and so on, I also offer full website critique, and the details are in your email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.